Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this skull inspired outfit on Dress to Impress. So this is no VIP. I'm just going to color this all black, and I'm also going to use this one and I'm going to color it black as well, and I'm going to use this outfit, color everything black except for the bow. We're just going to walk here and we're going to use this one. We're going to color this black and we're just going to leave that white for now. We're going to select this and we're going to color that white, and then we're going to select this and we're going to color everything black now for the eyes. It doesn't look like a skull 100%, but this is what you can use for Halloween themes if you'd like to. I think it goes a little bit better if it's without the eye. Well, actually it looks better with the eye. That's pretty much it. That's how you can basically make a skull kind of motive, like a skull dress on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!